Welcome this evening. Hi, I'm Ashiana. Hi. So we will get started in a couple of minutes. Hello. Hi, Zahir. Hi, Kritika. Hi, Shivani. How lovely. Hi, Reed. Hi, Sukhchen. Hello, Purvi. I'm doing well. Hello. All right. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for spending this evening with me. My name is Ashiana, and I'm the National Training Manager for the Face Shop. So right now, what we have is a live session on skincare for the monsoons. So the monsoons can play havoc with our session. So we, in collaboration with the lifestyle stores, have created this session specifically for you. So let me tell you a little bit about the Face Shop. So the Face Shop is a South Korean brand. It believes in all natural products, all naturally sourced products. And as you know that all South Korean skincare is a big, it's trending right now. It's because it's so well researched. All right, to answer a few questions here, my name is Ashiana. All right. So that's about the Face Shop brand. You will find the Face Shop natural products at the lifestyle stores. We believe we are an amalgamation, a mix between nature and science. So let's start. Absolutely, this session is for men and women, because remember, skincare is not a gender specific concern. Skincare is for both men and women of all ages, because it's essentially just taking care of your your skin, your health, the health of your skin. So we are going to start off with a bit of skincare for the monsoon specifically, and we'll also talk about lovely natural remedies that you could use during this time. So let's start off with what are the kind of issues you might face during the monsoons. So in the monsoons, you might face a lot of breakouts and open pores. Now this is regardless अगर आपका skin oily है या dry है, combination या sensitive, आपको ये breakouts issue आ सकता है. You can get these breakout issues. Why? Because humidity during the monsoons is very high. And because the humidity is high, you end up having a lot of open pores. अगर आपके open pores होते हैं, तो then you will have there is more chance of getting infected, clogged pores, और उसकी वजह से आपको pimples आ सकते हैं. So because of this, it is very important for you to have a good skincare regime, especially during the monsoons. Please ask me as many questions as you want. I will also have a session, a question and answer session at the towards the end of our master class. So yes, for a lot of people are saying that their skin is oily, and that's very similar to what my skin type is. My skin type is oily as well, and it is important that in the monsoons we take care of our skin. So let's start off with what should we do during the monsoons for our skin specifically. Now, one of the most important things is we need to make sure that we cleanse the skin well. हमें अपना skin को clean अच्छी तरह से करना चाहिए. So this is for all skin types. I would recommend first using something like a oil cleanser. Now oil cleanser ऐसा होता है, ये हमारा राइस वाटर ब्राइट लाइट ऑयल क्लेंजर है। ये इसका टेक्सचर बहुत पतला है, इट्स वेरी वेरी माइल्ड, इट्स लाइक वाटर टेक्सचर। अगर आप ये पहले आपका सब क्लेंजिंग ऑयल क्लेंजर की इसके शुरुआत करें, देन यू विल रियलाइज कि ये आपके पोर्स को भी अंदरूनी से इंटरनली डीप क्लीन योर पोर्स एज वेल। एंड एक फैक्ट जो मैं हमेशा बताती हूँ हमारे कस्टमर्स को और इनफैक्ट हमारे क्लाइंट्स को, दैट ऑयल डिजॉल्व्स ऑयल। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपका स्किन ऑयली है आपको सिर्फ फोम क्लेंजर या फेस वॉश यूज़ करना चाहिए। नो, यू कैन यूज़ एन ऑयल क्लेंजर। सो ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विथ क्लेंजिंग योर स्किन विथ अ ऑयल। आप थोड़ा ऑयल अपने फिंगर्स पे लो, मिला के सर्कुलर मोशंस में आपके स्किन को क्लेंज करो। उसके बाद यू कैन रिंस योर फेस, यू कैन रिंस योर फेस विथ वाटर, और फिर आप एक फोम क्लेंजर या नेचुरल फेस वॉश कैन बी यूज्ड। ना हमारे फेस वॉशेस बहुत सारे हैं। हमारे पास एक रेंज है कॉल्ड हर्ब डे। नाउ ये हर्ब डे, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ये हर्ब डे मूंग बीन रेंज है, हर्ब डे एसिरोला चेरी और हर्ब डे पीच रेंज। नाउ ये हर्ब डे रेंजेस आपके स्किन को क्लेंस करेगा। ये फोम क्लेंजर है और ये फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स है। तो यू स्टार्ट विथ एन अमेजिंग क्लेंजिंग रूटीन एंड देन यू कैन कंटिन्यू विथ योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप। तो अभी फोम क्लेंजर हम यूज़ कैसे करें? तो फोम क्लेंजर आप को थोड़ा लेना चाहिए आपके फिंगर्स में, थोड़ा पानी मिला के हाथों में ही आप फोम कीजिए। What will happen is if you use it on your use the foam on your face, it will be more gentle for your skin. आपका जो एपिडर्मिस है, ऊपरी भाग जो है स्किन का, that is that holds all the moisture. आपके स्किन को वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है। So because of that we have to be very gentle. So आप जब भी फोम क्लेंजर यूज करते हो, ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आप हाथों में ही फोम करके फिर एप्लीकेशन करो। So herb day is for all skin types, very good with deep cleaning. अगर आपका स्किन ड्राई स्किन है, तो अगर आपका स्किन ड्राई है तो मैंने कमेंट्स में अभी देखा कि a lot of people have mentioned कि you have dry skin. Now remember, dry skin people, उनका स्किन सेंसिटिव भी होता है, so you have to be careful. So you have something known as the mango seed range. Now I know that you might not be, you're seeing the mirror image, but this is the mango seed range. ये mango seed आपके स्किन को क्लेंस करेगा, आपके स्किन को रिवाइटलाइज करेगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा और मॉइस्चराइज और ब्राइटन भी करेगा। ये भी एक फोम क्लेंजर है। एंड वन ऑफ आवर हीरो प्रोडक्ट्स इज वाइट सीड रेंज। ये वाइट सीड रेंज में ड्राई स्किन, नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन के लिए हमारे पास एक एक्सफोलिएटिंग क्लेंजर है जो आपके स्किन के जो भी डेड सेल्स, डेड स्किन जो है वो निकाल के आपके स्किन को नरिश और ब्राइटन करता है। तो यू हैव दोज टू फॉर योर ड्राई स्किन। And then finally, for all my friends who have oily skin, yes Isha, oily skin is what I'm talking about now. When you have oily skin, you can use something like this. This is Rice Water Bright Foam Cleanser. This is one of my preferred foam cleansers because my skin is oily. Now this will help people with oily skin by deep cleaning and brightening and nourishing. So your skin doesn't dry out as well. हमारे पास ये भी है, दैट इज योर जेजू वोल्केनिक क्लेंजर. दिस इज एन एक्सफोलिएटिंग क्लेंजर एज वेल. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है फॉर योर, दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर ऑयली स्किन. सो two things that you need to make sure is you need to make sure that your skin is cleansed very well. So use an oil cleanser and then a foam cleanser. This is called double cleansing. So you will deep clean your skin, and this can be done by all skin types. Do you want to see the oil cleanse? So this is for the oily skin. That is your Rice Water Bright and the Jeju Volcanic. You will find all these products on lifestylestores.com, where we also have really great offers running just for you, because we are having this session where you will have buy 5 get 5 on our sheet mask, which everybody knows about, and you will also get up to 15% off on our skincare. So as soon as we are done, you need to head over to the lifestylestores.com site and check out the offers. So I saw a few questions. One person mentioned that their skin is their texture is very hard. Now when you have textured skin, something where your skin is very hard, you actually need to start using something that is like a toner. Okay. Does rice water work for acne prone? Yes. Rice water is amazing for acne prone skin. It is in fact a rice water range is for acne prone skin. Okay, I'll answer a few questions and then we'll move on to the talking about toners. Does sheet mask work on oily skin? Yes, sheet masks. There are specific sheet masks that are meant for oily skin. So, for example, you have sheet masks like mung in the Face Shop Real Nature, mung bean. You will have sheet mask that is green tea. Green tea is great. It's a detox sheet mask. In the Face Shop Solution sheet mask, you will get a pore care sheet mask. So for all those who have acne prone skin, look for pore care mentioned on the sheet mask. That's the sheet mask for you. Someone asked me about their neck. So they said their neck is dark. Now the reason why that happens is because one, sweat collects. Second, because sun damage. So what you need to do is keep that area dry, use brightening products and apply a sunscreen. A good pore minimizer. So in fact, the rice water range helps shrink pores as well. We also have the Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Mask. This is the mud mask that helps with shrinking the range. All right, any questions that you would like? I'm happy to answer. So we first spoke about your double cleansing routine. As regardless of what your skin type is, you can use a double cleanse. That is first using an oil cleanser and then a foam cleanser. I'm gonna answer Pawan's question. How do I get rid of an oily skin permanently? So remember that if oily skin is your natural skin type, you will not be able to get rid of it. But what you can do is use products that will help you control the oil. So you want to use skincare products specifically for oily skin. Let's talk about good face wash for pimple skin. So like I mentioned, using a face wash like the Rice Water Bright and the Jeju Volcanic is great for acne prone skin, especially people who tend to get a lot of acne during the monsoons. Hi Jaiswal. I think you want advice for men's hair. Today what we're doing is we're going to be talking about skincare. However, I'm definitely going to take your advice, and the next session we will keep on men's hair specifically and what are the remedies. Alright. So like I mentioned, if your skin is oily, pimple prone, acne prone, if your skin is dry, flaky, or even combination, you want to start off with a double cleanse. That is where you're using two cleansers, one oil based cleanser and one foam based cleanser. Now remember, all our products are natural products. They are natural ingredients, and even if you find chemicals in our products, the chemicals are naturally found or naturally derived. They are not, there's nothing synthetic in our products. Even fragrances added to our products are natural. So now the next step in your routine is toning. Now what does a toner do? Toner करता क्या है? टोनर भी आपके स्किन को प्रेप करेगा, क्लेंस करेगा. हमारा स्किन, वी नीड टू बैलेंस आवर स्किन. pH level or hydrogen level has to be balanced, where there will be enough acid, enough alkaline. तो ये हमारे स्किन को बैलेंस करता है. तो फॉर ऑल द पीपल हु हैव dry skin or pimple prone skin, you want to use toner. Toner is very good for someone with these skin types. So for example, if you have pimple prone, alright, acne prone, normal to oily to acne prone skin, you want to use the Chia Beet Hydro range. So the Chia Hydro toner is very good for someone with oily skin. Why? Because it will brighten your skin, control the oil, and also kill the bacteria that is causing the acne. The next one that I'm going to show you is our white seed range. Now white seed, this is for normal to dry skin. This is for people who want a beautiful glow on the face or an even skin tone and a lot of hydration. So the white skin, the white seed, it has white lupin seed extract. What the white lupin seed extract does is it ensures that it will brighten your skin. This is great for someone who has hyperpigmentation and melasma. This helps lighten the pigmentation down. However, remember that you have to use it for at least 12 to 24 weeks for you to see a significant result, where you probably will not be able to, see the hyperpigmentation or any sun damage. So this is your white seed. Now the toner, we also have a range called the pomegranate and collagen range. This is for all those individuals who want to ensure that you have anti-aging in your skincare. So this is the collagen toner. What it will do is brighten the skin and tighten the skin. And the last one that I have to show you in the form of a toner is our Yevadam revitalizing toner. This will help for your skin texture. So someone mentioned their skin was hard, so this will soften the skin and make your skin smoother. So how do you apply a toner? You take a cotton pad, apply a little bit of toner, maybe 2 to 3 drops, and just very gently swipe it on the entire face. Avoid the eye area and don't apply it on the lips. What you want to do is just simply apply it on the face. You can also use the toner if you have sensitive skin. Don't use a cotton pad. Apply put the toner directly into your fingers and pat it into your skin. Okay, I have oily skin and I use chia seed lotion. Is that good? That's brilliant. Chia seed is a superfood. It holds 15 times more hydration, and it will ensure that your skin gets hydrated and will also keep the oil at bay. So that's a good option. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Lovely compliments. Thank you so much for all the love. Alright, so we were talking about our cleansing, our toning. Now our skin is nice and prepped. तो अभी क्या? What do we do? So हमारा स्किन अभी prepped है, तो at this time हमें सीरम डालना है. Now सीरम क्या होता है? One second. Beauty Queen Elsa, yes, I'm going to be talking about blackheads and whiteheads, which in the skincare world also known as comedones. I will be discussing it. Give me 1 second. Alright, so we were talking about serums. So serum होता क्या है? Serum is a very concentrated product. However, it has small molecules. इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपकी स्किन में absorb faster होगा, without it being super sticky या आपको wait करना पड़ेगा. हर सीरम concentrated treatment है और आपकी स्किन में fast absorb होता है. Yes, Yashraj, I've discussed pigmentations. For pigmentations, you should try our white seed range as well as our Yevadam range. I will discuss it more. So talking about serums, so I've shown you all this range. This is the white seed serum. Now आप ये डालोगे कैसे? Yes, of course, these are for boys and girls. Remember, skincare is never a gender-related concern. It is for everyone with all ages, all genders, everything, because it's basic skin health. All right. So, Shushmita, absolutely, to reduce pimples, you would want to do the double cleanse, like I mentioned, using an oil cleanser, then a foam cleanser, using a toner, and use products from a range, from one of our ranges that's for acne-prone skin. Now, once you do your toning, you want to then do your serum. So, how do you apply a serum? Take 2 to 3 drops in your fingers, and then press it into your skin. Now this you can even apply on the under eyes, around the mouth. Now the white seed serum is meant for normal to dry skin, and it is if you have pigmentation, dark spots, or you basically just want a beautiful glow on your face, you need to use the white seed range. You can even use the collagen range as well, the mango seed range. That is also meant for dry skin. For your oily skin and acne prone people who are basically my best friends because that's the same skin as mine, you have the chia seed. Now this also has a lotion or a serum, right? It's basically a concentrated product. So you're going to use the chia seed lotion, apply it in your fingers, all right? And then ensure that you apply it on your skin. You can press it into the skin or use small, very gentle circular motions to massage it into your skin. All right, so I'm sorry, one person has said, Urshi has said that I have tried various products but none seem to work. I have oily skin. Any recommendations to reduce the excess oil? So one thing about skincare, Urshi, is that you need to use a regime. अगर एक प्रोडक्ट आप यूज करोगे इट विल नॉट गिव यू द रिजल्ट दैट यू वांट, तो आपको डबल क्लेंस करना होगा, टोनिंग करना होगा, सिरम यूज करना होगा. ऑल्सो रिमेंबर यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू ऑलवेज यूज अ सनस्क्रीन. what you could also do is use products like from our Calendula range. Now the Calendula range is great for someone with dry and sensitive skin. Now मॉनसून्स में हमारा स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव क्यों हो जाता है? बिकॉज ओपन पोर्स है, इचिंग होता है, बिकॉज पिंपल, एक्नी ब्रेकआउट. ड्राई स्किन लोगों के लिए इचिंग होता है बिकॉज योर स्किन इज रिएक्टिंग टू द मॉनसून, द ह्यूमिडिटी. सो यूजिंग द कैलेंडुला रेंज इज ग्रेट during this time. Why? Because calendula has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So ये आपके स्किन को काम करेगा. It will also hydrate the skin a lot. Okay, ma'am, I use Himalaya Clima. It's a kit. If the product that you're using, Pavan, is helping you, then I say continue. However, I'm not aware about their formulations. I can only talk to you about my brand because I'm very aware about these formulations. Okay, so we'll move on to talking about your questions. So we've spoken about a general cleansing, double cleansing, toning, serum routine. I would also like to introduce something that is very, very important. That's your sunscreen. So we have a sunscreen called the Natural Eco Sunscreen. ये sunflower seeds से बनाया गया है. Very natural, non-sticky, 50 SPF. So ये आपके skin को protect करेगा sun damage से, and it has also anti-aging properties. So you need to introduce a sunscreen for your skincare during the day. This is great for oily skin, for acne-prone skin and dry skin. All right. Now, I think I will talk about, so a few people wanted to know about how do I tackle whiteheads and blackheads. So whiteheads and blackheads are what you call comedones. They are a form of an acne breakout where whatever the gunk or whatever is, you know, basically trapped in your pores. Now to remove that, I would suggest use a great toner like the chia seed toner. You can use even the rice water bright cleansers that are available in the form of lotion or oil, so to remove the whiteheads, blackheads. You can also do and this is important for anyone who has whiteheads, blackheads. Take a little bit of oil in your hand, all right, and massage your skin gently for at least a good 10 to 15 minutes, especially in the areas that you have your blackheads and whiteheads. What this you will notice, if you do this in small circular motions, on your fingertips you will see the whiteheads and blackheads come out. You can do this once a week, twice a week, thrice a week, as much as you want. So someone asked me, is our sunscreen chemical or physical? It's a physical, it's a chemical sunscreen. So that means you have to apply it onto your skin and wait for 15 minutes before you go into direct sunlight. I would always request you to apply sunscreen even when you're in the house, because the UVA, UVB rays do tend to damage your skin. Yes, Hemananand, please ask me your question and I'll definitely this. Rakesh, to get rid of oily face, you need to use good cleansers and you need to use a toner. A toner is very important. Using our chia seed hydro toner is something that I would definitely recommend. That's this packaging. So the chia seed hydro toner for people with oily skin. Okay. For dark circles, alright. Won't the sunscreen damage our skin? Sunscreen is not meant to be worn 24/7, only in the day. You only need to wear these sunscreens in the day and then cleanse your skin at night. So no sunscreen needs to be worn 24/7. Which product is good for brightening? So for brightening, I would recommend our white seed range. You could also use a product like what we have is our baby face peel off mask. This is smoothing and peeling, so this will help brighten your skin. That's the baby face one. For those with dry and very sensitive skin, I would recommend the papaya mask. The papaya mask has papaya enzymes which brighten the skin. How to remove darkness or blackish kind of pigment from above the lip? Alright, so when you have darkness above the lip, this is actually called a sun stash. Sun stash means that area is very sensitive and you've got sun damage. What I would recommend is using products like the baby face smoothing mask, the papaya mask that I showed you, using the rice water bright range that helps with brightening, white seed range that helps with brightening, but also use a sunscreen. Now remember, if you have that darkness around your mouth, that means that area is very sensitive for you especially, and you need to protect it with a good sunscreen. So using the natural eco sunscreen that we have is brilliant. It has 50 SPF and it will give you, not only give you the protection you need, it will also remove the pigmentation over a period of time. However, you will at least need to give it 12 weeks to see a significant result. What is the best face shop product for all skin types? So I would say that you would want, when dealing with your skin, what you want to do is specifically pick up products for your skin type. However, if you're looking for products that will work for all skin types, we have the Herb Day range that every skin type can use. We have the pomegranate and collagen range that is meant for all skin types as well. So there are ranges that can happen. Chia seed pink and white packs are different. I use, so chia seed comes in a pink color pack. That's the Chia Hydro range, which is got vitamin B12. We also have a chia range which comes in green, and we have the white seed range which is in the white packaging. That's this packaging. So white seed is specifically for normal to dry skin with a focus on brightening, and while chia is a focus on normal to oily skin with and what it does, it helps revitalize your skin. How to reduce forehead pimples? So on the forehead, what you want to do is you want to apply, you could even use our Face Shop Smart Peeling Black Sugar Scrub on the forehead to apply the to remove the pimples. You can apply our pore Jeju pore mask also there. However, if it is only on your forehead, you might want to figure out if you have dandruff. Now, if you have dandruff and that is why you have pimples on your forehead, then that pimples are called fungal pimples. They are because of a fungal infection. So ideally the scrubs will help you, the packs will help you. However, until you don't deal with the dandruff on the scalp, it will keep coming. So you might want to check that. Let's see, I think, okay, I have one doubt. Pimples bursted out in my hands. Now it damaged the area. What to do? Okay, so one thing that's very important is you do not burst pimples. All right, it damages the skin and it leaves marks. Now what you can do is, if you have acne marks, is use products like the chia seed. Now chia seed, what it does is it brightens the area, all right, and it will control the oil and acne as well, so you won't get further breakouts. You can also, if you're getting active acne, you can also use the Dr. Belmer spot calming treatment, where it's like a little dropper. You just apply it on the pimple itself and leave it for 24 hours and the pimple will automatically dry. Alright. Smoothing face, a smoothing face mask you can use from the Face Shop, the solution face mask. That is if you're asking me about sheet masks. If you want a actual mask, we have the baby face smoothing mask. That is amazing. You will in fact see a result immediately. Like I mentioned earlier also about blackheads and whiteheads, you need to use a good toner. You need to use a scrub. Using a scrub like the Face Shop Smart Peeling Black Sugar Scrub, that will help you immensely. And you can use it at least, if your skin is oily, then you can use it at least 2 to 3 times a week. Dark circles, Feza, is you would want to figure out first why you're getting the dark circles. You could use our Calendula under eye cream. So dark circles can happen because your under eyes are dry, or you have allergies, you're not sleeping enough. So the Calendula under eye cream will rest the eyes, hydrate and brighten. However, remember, if you are someone who are not getting enough sleep, then you'll be able to only lighten the dark circles to a certain point, because your sleep cycle is not proper. Sandhu, to remove pigmentation, you would want to use a range like the the white seed range, as well as the Yevadam range. That's the Yevadam revitalizing range, and this is the white seed range. This helps with pigmentation. You also want to use our natural eco sunscreen, because if you're someone who has pigmentation, that means there is already a lot of melanin in your skin, and the sun increases the melanin, and what we want to do is control it. All right, so can I repeat the cream to get rid of dark circles? Yes. So I'll show you the cream. So it is this. This is the Calendula under eye cream that will help you with your dark circles. You can definitely go in for something like that. You also have under eye cream in the pomegranate range. However, this is for all skin types, and if your skin is oily, then you want to go in for the Calendula range. Yes, all our products are natural. They do not have any synthetic chemicals in it. When we formulate our products, they are with all natural products. Even the fragrance is natural. You can get these all our entire range. You can get it on lifestylestores.com, and we are currently running very special offers for you, where you can get buy 5 get 5 on all our sheet masks, and up to 15% off on our skincare. So if you buy one skincare product, it will be 10%. If you buy 2 skincare products, it will be 15%. So I would suggest that now that we are done with our session, you would want to immediately go to the lifestylestores.com page and pick up the products that you feel would work for your skin. If you do want to know a little bit more, you can definitely DM me on Instagram, or put in a message comment below the video when the video is uploaded, and I'll definitely reply. Just to answer the last question by Preet. Preet, for sensitive skin, you want to use the Calendula range. You could also use the Dr. Belmer Daily Repair range. These are great for sensitive skin. You would also want to use something like the Chia B12 range, because it helps strengthen your skin. Alright, so you of course you can definitely go to the lifestylestores.com, and you can pick up all these products with the great offers that we have, the Chia products and everything. So I think we're running out of time, unfortunately. Thank you so much, everyone, for spending your evening with me. Thank you, Lifestyle Stores, for giving us an opportunity to explain about our products to everybody. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope everyone has a great evening, and stay safe. And whatever questions you have, you can put it below in the comments, and I'll try and answer each and every one. Have a great evening, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love. Bye-bye.